What if I told you that you can legally own a piece of Apple, Tesla, or Nvidia without ever setting foot in America or even having a US bank account? Most people abandon the idea of investing on Wall Street because they believe it's locked for foreigners. They think you need millions in capital, complex legal paperwork, or a US visa. But that is completely false. In this video, I will prove to you that geographic borders no longer limit your financial growth. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step roadmap to securely invest in the US stock market from absolutely any country in the world with zero prior experience. Step number 1 is choosing an international brokerage platform. Since popular US apps like Robinhood don't accept global users, you need a regulated international broker. Here are the top 3 verified options you can use today. First, Interactive Brokers at interactivebrokers.com. This is the world's largest and safest broker, available in over 200 countries. Second, eToro at etoro.com, which is perfect for complete beginners because of its zero-commission model and copy trading features. And third, Moomoo at moomoo.com or Webble at webble.com for advanced charting and modern mobile apps. To open an account, all you need is a valid passport or national ID and a recent bank statement or utility bill to verify your residential address. Step number 2 is understanding taxes. A lot of global investors stay away because they are scared of US taxes. But here is the good news. As a non-US citizen living abroad, you do not pay US income tax or capital gains tax when your stocks go up in value. When setting up your brokerage account, you will fill out a digital document called the W-8BEN form. This simple form officially states that you are a foreign investor. Once submitted, the only tax you pay is a standard withholding tax on dividends, while your actual investment profits remain completely tax-free in the United States. Step number 3 is funding your account and making your first purchase. You can easily fund your international broker using a traditional international wire transfer from your local bank or by linking a multi-currency digital account like Wise for lower transfer fees. Once your funds arrive, you don't need thousands of dollars to start buying. Thanks to a game-changing feature called fractional shares, you can buy a tiny piece of an expensive stock. If a single share of a major company costs hundreds of dollars, you can invest just $10 or $20 to own a fraction of it. If you are confused about which individual company to pick first, the safest move for any beginner is to buy an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, such as VOO. This automatically spreads your money across the 500 largest corporations in America, generating a historically proven 10% average annual return. Financial freedom is no longer restricted by geographic borders. Anyone, anywhere can build wealth on Wall Street. Alright, so now you know why we choose Interactive Brokers. Now let's jump straight into the screen recording and see step-by-step how to correctly set up your account. First, let's take a look at their commission structure. As you can see, they offer extremely low commissions, almost zero for US stocks and ETFs. You can check out all the details regarding pricing and accounts right here. Alright, let's get started with creating the account. I'm going to click on this Open Account button at the top right here. Now you will be directed to a page like this. First, enter your active email address right here. After that, choose a username of your preference and enter it in this field. Next, you need to create a strong password. Make sure to write this password down somewhere safe so you don't forget it. After that, select your country from the drop-down menu. I'm going to select Singapore for this and then click on the Create Account button below. Now you should have received a verification email from IBKR. Go ahead, verify your email and click on this Confirm button. As the final step, you need to select the account type that suits you. I'm going to select Individual here, click on the Start Application button below, and fill in the rest of the details. Alright, now you can just click on this Start Application button, fill in the rest of your personal details, and easily set up your account. Please note that this was just a simple guide to help you get started. If you face any issues during the sign-up process, you can easily contact the broker directly through Interactive Broker Support for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Have a great day.